welcome back, guys. We are traveling to faraway exotic lands looking for American food. Little success. This is Colby Jack cheese from California, somewhere in America anyways, and it is more than twice the price of Tillamook cheese. So yeah, let's hope it's really good, because it's expensive. Okay guys, I got it. Here it is. Pray that this tastes good. Pray for me. Cheese. I have no silverware, so I'm just going to chew it open. I still have teeth, but that's okay. Colby Jack cheese. Have a few teeth marks in it. No silverware. I'm just going to break a piece off and try it. No. Tastes just a little bit salty, and it's too much cheddar. Doesn't taste like Colby or Jack. It tastes more like a stronger cheddar taste. But it is cheese. It just doesn't really taste like true Colby Jack. But it's 100 times better than processed cheese food. That's a win. All right. Bye-bye, guys. I just might actually stay in this place. I found cheese. Don't forget, guys, it's free to hit the like, subscribe, share, any of those fun things. Helps me, helps the channel. Thanks. Take care. Bye. Thanks for tuning in. Until next time, guys.